Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to fix bad hair days. This is 6 different ways that I fix my own hair when I wake up and it's looking a mess and I don't have time to deal with it. So each of these take about 2 minutes to do. Super cute and super trendy. So I hope you guys enjoy. So this first one is what I do when my bangs are looking all crazy and a mess and I don't feel like dealing with them. I just split my hair down the middle and then I twist the front sections of my hair backwards and I add 2 little butterfly clips to the front and you guys are done. I feel like this is a very early 2000s, late 90s type of a look, but I feel like you can rock it in any era and it's very timeless. This second look is kind of like a pinup girl look, so I'm folding my bandana in half and then flipping it over 3 times, leaving that pointy corner upwards so my bandana doesn't unroll. And then I'm just going to tuck all my hair inside of that and then tie it in a knot on the top of my head. Now I did not put my hair over it because I wanted to add the volume and kind of like a really easy up style look. Since I have a bob, it just tucks really nicely in the bandana, so I don't even have to worry about doing the back of my hair. So style number 3, I'm using a satin scarf I found at Walmart for like $2, and I'm using it as a headband and tying it in a bow underneath my hair. I'm pulling my hair out this time because I do want that little bit of length, but the bow will stick out underneath, so it looks super cute for like a fun spring style. So for our next style, using the same scarf, I'm going to split my hair on the sides, and yes, those are extensions that you were seeing, but I'm going to go ahead and tuck this behind my ears. I really want that front piece sticking out, and then instead of tying this in a bow underneath my hair, I'm going to tie it in a knot and pull it to the side so I have the strings of the scarf hanging down on my shoulder. This is a very bohemian type of a gypsy look, and I don't know, I feel like it looks really cute. It adds to the accessories more so than just having a headband. So this one is one of my favorite just tussling products. This is Beautiful Mess by Diva Curl, and it's like a gel pomade, and I'm just rubbing a little bit between my hands, and I'm just roughing up the texture of my hair to kind of rock the bedhead look, where it doesn't look so much as like normal bedhead, it looks like on purpose. And this is just going to build some texture, add some volume, and kind of freshen up any second day curl. Then for the last style is a little bit of braiding. I'm doing super loose braids, kind of just rocking the texture that I woke up with. And I'm just slowly feeding in hair from the front and the back, not really separating in sections because I do want to keep that texture. And just doing a little bit of a French braid back. And then once I run out of hair on the side, I'm just going to braid down. And then I'm going to pin it underneath the hair in the back with a butterfly clip. This is super cute. This also has a little bit of a bohemian look to it. But it's good if you just want to do one side of your hair, if that side's looking worse than the other. Or you could do both and kind of have almost like a mock milkmaid hairstyle. But these are just what I do when my hair is looking a mess and I want to fix it really quick. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more hairstyling tutorials, let me know in the comments down below. As well as check out all of my social media. I have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Snapchat. All the names and links are in the description box below, as well as the link to my previous video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!